Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best ranch dressing. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, half a cup of buttermilk, and a 1/4 cup of sour cream. You'll also need fresh herbs like dill, chives, and parsley, plus some basic seasonings. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create that luscious base. In a medium bowl, combine your 1 cup of mayonnaise with half a cup of buttermilk. Whisk these together until they are fully incorporated. Then, stir in the 1/4 cup of sour cream. Continue whisking until the mixture is perfectly smooth and has a consistent, creamy texture. This is where the magic happens. Finely chop about 2 tablespoons each of fresh dill, chives, and parsley. Add these vibrant herbs to your creamy base. Next, mix in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of onion powder. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your personal preference, then stir well. For the best flavor, cover your ranch dressing and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This crucial step allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Once chilled, give it a final stir. Your homemade ranch is now ready to elevate any salad, serve as a delicious dip for vegetables, or complement your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.